Hello, my name is Rohan Goswami, and today I would like to give you a brief overview of the social media platform Instagram. This presentation will outline key features and benefits one can expect to encounter when using this platform. I will also highlight the social media platform's importance in the development of marketing of businesses and engagement of core clients. The first screen we go to is a screen where you are allowed to log in. In the case that you do not have an account, you simply use the sign up link located here. Once logged in, you will have access to the content you are subscribed to. This will be your friends, businesses, places, or things in which you could interact with each other by liking photos or leaving a comment. You will also have access to Instagram's new features, which are stories. Stories allow other viewers to interact with your posts by seeing what you're doing in real time. You also have the ability to have the stories deleted after 24 hours. Here, we're viewing a local food editor's story. One of the main features one should be familiar with when using Instagram is posting. This allows you to provide content to new customers, clients, or friends in order for them to interact with your exchange. Here, I demonstrate how to post and the efficiency of a post. First, you click the plus icon in the bottom center of the pane. You select an image, or in this case a video, and you're able to add a variety of filters. In this case, we select Clarendon and minimize its effect to 27 and hit next. We are then able to add a caption. Our caption is just a brief summary or a brief blurb about what our post is about. You're then able to tag places, people, or things to help garner attention to your post. You can even geotag a location so other users that are frequenting the place are able to view your post in real time. Here, we tag the venue that we're working with, and we simply add a couple hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to target a demographic by bringing awareness to posts that you are making. Here, we select 2 hashtags and share our post. Once your post is uploaded, it is available for all consumers of Instagram to see. Another new feature, as we previously mentioned, are stories. To post a story, you simply swipe to the left on the home screen, and you could either record an image or video in real time. In this case, we select the same promotional video, and you simply hit send to and share on your story. After selecting your story, you hit done. It's now available for everyone to view in real time for 24 hours. Another new feature of Instagram are highlights. To use highlights, you simply hit 3 dots once the post is complete and hit the heart button to add the highlights. We will now create a tag and add this to our highlights. Highlights are useful because the video, instead of expiring in a 24-hour period, is now available for all of your friends or viewers to view at any given time when viewing your profile. Instagram is truly a powerful platform. You can use it to target demographics from potential clients or even create an influencer profile in which you could create sponsored posts and get paid. Here, we will view one of my friends that is an Instagram influencer. Here you could see an event that she created through Instagram with her friend Kimi Koyo. They have a few Instagram stories available, as well as you could see her Instagram profile. It is both aesthetically pleasing and incorporates the use of subtle sponsorships from Forever 21 and other fashion-like vendors, in which she has been able to forge a promising career through the use of the Instagram platform. Ruby has been able to amass a large following of Instagram followers. By doing so, she has been able to launch her own brand, Lemon Life Social. Lemon Life Social was created in order to bring Instagram influencers together under one roof. By doing so, she was able to sponsor with 50 different companies to offer what she called Blogger Bazaar. They offered a variety of informational workshops, as well as different vendors providing all sorts of opportunities for Instagram influencers to create content. Here, you could see different content from their event that was held just this recent Sunday. As you can see, the opportunities within Instagram are endless. You could either be a business looking to target and engage new core customers, or you could be your own entity just looking to connect with content around you. Here we're able to look at local events from a local nightclub and see what the most recent Sunday night looked like. We could look at events that they've done in the past via highlights, as well as their most recent offerings via their story. Instagram offers truly endless opportunities. It can offer a new career for you, or simply help you build on the brand you've already created.